crazy. It's been a minute since I've looked myself in the cameras. But anyways, your boy Doza Acid for the OGs that know me. I'm recording this video, reason being, because if I remember correctly on the YouTube channel Acid, I recorded like maybe 3 to 4 years ago of like my birthday. And if you guys know, today is my birthday, January 31st. It's 2024. And it's interesting because I'm not gonna edit this video until when my car is done, because it's gonna be like kind of like a car kind of video. And yeah, I want to show you guys like how I was back then and how I look now. It's crazy. I want to show you guys the parts. Got a bunch of parts here. I have a mess, but I have my transmission cooler here. As you can see, it's transmission cooler. Got my catch can here. This I already put it on. This is a it was just a latch for my glove box that broke. I got a 187 thermostat. Sorry, I was trying to read it. 187 thermostat, somewhere on here. This is good for, yeah, 187 thermostat. It's good for racing and keeping your engine cool. We got my TPS sensor. No, sorry, we got my mass airflow sensor, and we got a an adapter here. I'll be showing you guys that all later, but right now I'm gonna go eat. It's my birthday, so I just wanted to record this before I go down. So thank you. Have a good one. Here's a quick video of the Vette. You guys haven't seen this car, I don't think, ever, actually. I only got like 40 seconds to film because my SD card is filling up, but I don't think you guys ever seen my Vette, the blue one. I showed you guys the red one way back then, kind of like this Tesla. You guys haven't even seen this, but this is all like a treat for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just actually gonna do a whole review, and I'm gonna pick this up when the Vette is actually closer to being done. It might be in a month, it might be more. It's January 31st, my birthday, and it's been a while, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you soon. So I actually have a funny story to tell you guys. So we're back on the update on the Corvette. Actually, it's sprinkling. This is a huge cloud that is sprinkling, but I got a funny story for you guys on this Corvette. I'm gonna have to tell you guys so you guys see. It's kind of sprinkling. Oh man, it was supposed to be up and running, but the mechanic I hired. All right, so the mechanic that I've hired, well, let me give you an update, actually a proper update. It is February the 21st. Last time I did an update, I don't remember what day was it. I started this on January the 31st, and it was just the built on my car. And the mechanic that I hired to do it, the mechanic that I done, he was supposed to replace one of the transmission lines, well, both of the transmission lines, because he was down there already, because it was leaking. It was leaking transmission, and you know, it wasn't drivable, but it wasn't leaking as bad. He fixed it, and he added some ugly hoses that he told me that would work with heat wrap and this and that. It came out like, it literally came out too shit. I turned on the car, it wasn't leaking, but like 5 to 10 seconds later it started leaking bad. Like the line just, it felt like it just poked a hole in the line, and it was just dripping transmission fluid, and it caught on my exhaust. And if you guys don't know, transmission fluid is it's flammable, so it caught on my exhaust and it just ruined everything. There was a bunch of smoke. It ain't caught on fire or nothing like that, but it was a lot of smoke. It was scary, and there was a lot of smoke. I was this close to getting the fire extinguisher just in case. It was so bad. I'm gonna give you guys an update. I'm on my daily right now. If you guys can see, this is my daily driver. I love my daily driver. I'm cussing, I don't know why. I forgot that when I was on YouTube a long time ago, like cussing and like saying whatever you want to say wasn't a thing. Like yeah, it wasn't a thing. Now you got to be careful on what you say and like so on and so forth. I hate it. But if you guys, you know, this is my little daily. I need to switch this steering wheel. I want to go all black with, I mean not white, blue, to match the seats. And I love this. There's a noise in the back, if you can hear it. What a wonderful day in Arizona. Let me just show you the sunset. It looks so amazing. I don't know what else like to compare it to. Whatever that is. Take a look. OMG, that looks amazing. Look at everything. Wow. Oh my god. That looks amazing. We got the daily, the Ford Focus, not the Ford Focus, sorry, the Ford Fusion. And we got the Vet, the race car. You know what I'm saying? Lots of problem, a lot of problem with that car. Oh my god. But eventually, once it's up and running, we'll make super cool videos. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just finished up the radiator install. As you guys can see, I removed the AC condenser at the moment because I don't have AC. But it's looking clean. I just need to move them from this wood. I did make a little bit of mess, but it's all right. I'll probably give it a better, proper update another day when the sun's out. But I need to put everything away and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we're back. My hair is kind of a mess because I just showered. But here's the little update. The radiator is installed. This is the 3-row core radiator. It's a little bit dirty because it rained a few times. We got the transmission cooler. We got the intake manifold. We got the fuel rails. But that's about it, guys. It was a quick install. It took about an hour. It took longer than I expected, low-key, because I wasn't doing it right. But besides that, look at this. We got all the lines, all the hoses connected to the right lines. We got the stock radiator cooler fan. You guys can see all the water hoses. You got thermostat, and everything is good. This has a better drain plug than it did previously. Let me see if I can show you guys. The drain plug, it's so hard to show you guys, especially because I can't zoom in. So if you can see that gold, I don't know if you call it butterfly bolt, that's the drain plug. But guys, I have a bad situation. As you can see, I'm not as energetic because whatever. All right, guys, so we're back in my room on my little desk here. I got a huge update and I got bad news. Good news is that I'm gonna edit this video and I'm gonna upload it, and so you guys can see it. So if you guys are watching this video right now, congratulations, you guys pretty much stuck with me for the most part. It's been a long journey for this car. It's been a lot of headaches. I've been stressing so much about everything. It's a race car, it's a build. It should have been done a long time ago, but it's okay. So now that we got a radiator installed, now I need the intake, the custom intake piping. We're gonna have to order, because this is an LS2 2006 LS2 C6 Corvette. We're gonna have to buy a LS7 MAF sensor, because the LS2 comes with the stock MAF sensor, which is you can't remove it, but the LS7 you could just have the sensor itself. And with the custom piping, we're gonna make an insert. We're gonna make an insert so we could put the sensor just in the pipe, and we're gonna have to buy the pigtail, and we're gonna have to rewire the old one to the new one, and then we're gonna have to tune it. Bad news is I'll leave it for another video so you guys could, you know, be on a cliffhanger. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm stressing so much to the point where it's like I want to give up already. But we'll see how it goes. You guys heard how beautiful it sounds. So bad news is something is quite bad. I hope it's just a tune. I hope it's not that big of a headache, but we'll see. We'll really see. So it's been your boy Doza, or your boy Acid for the OGs. Hope you guys enjoyed this little long video of different days and different months and different energy levels and so much stuff that I was going through and that I'm going through in my head. Hopefully it doesn't sound too echoey in here. I mean, it's kind of empty in my room. It's not like I do videos in here. And this is something for me. Like I said, this is videos that I like to make. So like, you know, 5 years from now, I could look back in this video and be like, holy shit, like I went through that. You know, I've been through that, where I remember that point, or this is how I looked. And it's just different times of my life that I like to just document and like look back years and years, you know, after. So it's been your boy Doza, or Acid for the OGs, and please, you know, subscribe so you guys can like tag along in this build and see what happens and see what's the bad news. And for all you fellow C6 members, you know, you guys don't have, there's not a lot of C6 channels out there that are like doing this kind of thing, that is like building the car and like a drag car kind of, like, you know, some people do like drift cars and some people do like kind of weird other videos. This is just for my car build for now. My channel has been through a lot, like gaming and racing and so much different things that I've just enjoyed doing. just like I said, I rewatched his videos, but I know I already did my intro twice, so it's been your boy Doza, and I'm out.